guys? Welcome to my channel, Ishar's Rainbow Wall. And I hope you all are safe and healthy, and today we are gonna unbox BOYA mic. And let's get started. So here we have our BOYA mic, and we are gonna unbox it like that. Just a little bit. And here's the box of BOYA mic. It says BY-M1. And here we're gonna unbox it, open it. And here we opened it. So here we're gonna take out all our packet. Okay. So here are some instructions of this BOYA mic, as you can see, and you can read them. And here is a booklet of it, and here is our pouch. It says BOYA, and we're gonna take out it. So what it comes with this wire. It's a good quality wire. Okay. So here we get one more pouch, and this is empty. And so let's open this pouch first. So guys, this pouch has these things. So it has a big jack and a sponge, and here is the clip for attaching the mic on your t-shirts. And here is our PEHD cell for our BOYA mic. So here guys, we are gonna open it just like that from here. So here it's opened, and here we need to put the cell. We're gonna cut this package also. Okay, here we got it, and here we're gonna put it. Okay, so we get to put it. We're gonna just close it. Okay, so we close it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just open it. Open the wires, and these wires are really long, as you can see. This here. No, okay. So we're gonna put this here on it, like this, okay. So guys, it's so hard to put on it. And here we put it on it. And now we are gonna open our clip, and we're gonna put it, you can put it on like that. So here's the clip. We can put it like that, and here we put it. You can attach this clip like this to your t-shirts. It opens like that. And here we have ready our BOYA mic. And now we are gonna attach it to my S10 mobile. So guys, here I've connected my BOYA mic with my S10 mobile, and you can check the quality of sound quality of my BOYA mic, and its wire are the best and good quality of the wires. And I want to show you something. So here it has a sticker, as you can see. when you peel it off like this, you will get here a code, and you need to scan it from your mobile, and if it could tell you if it's fake or not. And guys, bye guys, love y'all. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to ring the bell button for more notifications of my video.